This video walks you through how to add a one-time fee to a subscription in Stripe. Begin by signing in to your Stripe dashboard and opening the account where you want to create the subscription. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the Customers section. This is where you can view existing customer records and choose the customer who should receive the subscription with the added one-time fee. Select the customer from the list to open their profile. On that customer page, click Create Subscription. This opens the subscription editor where you can build the recurring charge and add any extra line items that should appear on the first invoice. Start by adding the recurring product or price for the subscription. Choose the product or pricing option that matches the billing cycle and amount you want this customer to be charged on an ongoing basis. Make sure you select the correct recurring item before moving on, since this will control the subscription going forward. After the recurring subscription item is in place, stay in the same subscription editor and click Add One-Time Item. This is the option that lets you include a one-time fee alongside the recurring subscription, so both charges can be collected together when the subscription is created. At this point, select an existing one-time product if you already have one set up in Stripe. If not, create a new one-time item for the fee you want to charge. When creating or selecting the item, enter the amount for the one-time fee and set the quantity if more than one unit should be billed. Review those values carefully so the invoice reflects the exact charge you intend to add. With both the recurring item and the one-time fee added, look at the invoice preview in the subscription editor. This preview is important because it shows how the customer will be billed at creation. Confirm that the recurring subscription charge appears correctly and that the one-time fee is also included on the same invoice. If something does not look right, adjust the product, amount, or quantity before continuing. Next, configure the payment and billing settings as needed. Depending on how your account is set up, this can include choosing payment collection behavior or reviewing billing details tied to the customer and subscription. Use the settings that fit the way you want this subscription to be created and billed. When everything looks correct, click Create Subscription to finalize it. Stripe will create the recurring subscription and include the one-time item on the opening invoice based on the details you reviewed. The subscription is now created with both the recurring charge and the one-time fee included.